Yes, my friends, you're watching here the live purchase of the lehengas section. New location, Doriwala Square building behind to Mohan Sweets, where the Kesaria Textile has relocated, friends. Yes, exactly. You're watching everything, my background also with full of varieties of lehengas. The shop is getting settled now, almost shifted everything. So you can also do visit purchase. So friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufactures. So we are supporting manufacturers where you can buy and start your reselling business either in a boutique way or in a shop way or showroom. So today I brought for you the 3-piece concept varieties. So keep watching this video and you can easily add into your business if you are into ready-made chudidar collections of 3-piece. You have a fancy work, embroidery, sequence, all kind of varieties. So quickly I'll show you some varieties you can add into your business. And if you really like some products, take a screenshot and the numbers which are scrolling on the screen, you can call in purchasing. Here are the collections. So when I talk about the first pattern, the beautiful lavender color, very pretty color. You can see the white color combination, and this is the bottom where you can see the bottom section, and this is the dupatta, lovely dupatta with the floral and the copper border. You can see over here the collections. You have a M, L, XL, all kind of sizes where you can purchase set to set. If I talk about L, you will get all the set of L size. If you take M size, you will take all the M size. This is the kind of dupatta which is digital pattern printed floral, the red color combination with the sequence, and this is a beautiful shining traditional border. This is a dupatta and this is the bottom. You can see the sequence work over here, and the tomato red color, the combination of the embroidery thread work which is given here, the light pastel color. This is also one of the pattern. The next color, which is a dark onion pinkish color with a white color printed butta. This is the one of the pattern. This is a peacock work, which is the light chumki work, silver chumki, which is your collections. These on kind of varieties. So collections are with a gown pattern. You can see the multiple layers. This is a bottom. The combination is very same color, the bottom, and the batik chiffon dupatta. So this is with the white color combination. If I talk about the next pattern with a beautiful lovely cream color with the white, this is a pattern with the digital dupatta with a fancy tassel, lovely pattern. And you have here, this is the bottom, this is the embroidery, this one, this is the collection, and here lovely pattern of the embroidery, the beautiful thick fabric of lemon color with the white color combination. So you have a lining also. This is a white color. If I talk about the mustard yellow, very pretty. This is a pattern. So lovely color combination. You have a sequence and you have a thread work. This is also very lovely. Mustard yellow with a coffee brownish color. This is also one of the pattern. If we talk about the next color, which is very pretty, the half white cream color with the dark peacock blue, very pretty, very lovely color. You have the collections over here, these kind of varieties with a peacock blue with the long lengthy sharp leafy pattern, and this is a heavy border. You can see the bold border, and here the stylish mirror work on the thread work which is coated, lovely pattern, full sleeves, and this is the pattern of the bottom, and this is the lovely laria based dupatta. This is laria based lovely dupatta with the royal blue with the mehndi green color combination. Friends, all these collections you can purchase at factory price with the color charts, with the sizes. We do have a 3-piece, all these kind of varieties. In the wholesale, the manufacturers which are located at Doriwala Square building, Kesaria manufacturers behind to Mohan Sweets. nearby to railway station. Just cross the road and you can easily walk around distance 5 to 10 minutes. You can easily reach to the shop. The shop has got relocated. It's all the things, all the counters, all the segments are getting into a line. So you can easily come quickly, stay comfortable over here, and you can purchase the Kesaria manufactures sari, lehenga, kurti, dupattas and bottom varieties, kids collections, bridal lehengas, side away, Poonam sarees, cotton sarees, boutique varieties, party wear, lightweight, all these kind of collections you can purchase. And this is the wholesale where you can see the exact stock of the collections, where you can see jerkin work, jerry work, stone work with the dupattas, with the embroidery and the ready-made semi-stitched with the ready-made blouses. All these varieties has come. There's a huge quantity of the collections from the lehenga, and hope you enjoyed these 3 pieces of chudidar materials which I've showed you. So quickly you can call the numbers, you can take down, you can easily talk to our online team and you can contact. Now, and please friends, you can update and you can easily take an update of this relocated address, and no need to travel to MTM Millennium Textile Building, which is very nearby from the railway station. And don't forget to share your number and your city in the comment box and what kind of collections you are looking for. If you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments. I'll share you in the reply video. Hope you enjoy these collections. For many more informations, you can call to our online team with a comfortable language to support you, to guide you. So minimum 20 to 25,000 you can purchase from online easily by getting a COD orders from easily doing online shopping from your home or office or anywhere to your location. Pan India you have a COD options. Worldwide you have a Indian currency of 1 lakh amount. You can do advance payments and you can get it, and you will get your product safely and securely. Kesaria Manufacturers is giving you with 100% with comfortable all the collections with your n number of collections based on your orders. What you see and you will update same collections, you will get it. So you have a many more collections under one roof. So if you want to start a clothing business, tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers. It will support and guide you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, subscribe and please share with everyone and follow the channel for regular product updates. Next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.